Hey, Daniel Lopez with Empire Business Law. Today's 1 minute legal is going to speak directly to employers. And employers probably know by now that the FTC has put a general ban on employee non-competes. What that means is that employees are now free to compete, right? You can't say, hey, you can't go work for this business, you can't start your own business, things like that. So how do business owners protect themselves? Gonna go ahead and put a minute on the clock here. So the answer is simple, but it's gonna be hard to execute. The answer is we now need to make sure that we're treating clients as a business, right? We're taking care of clients as a business in its totality. We can no longer just have one person servicing that client, right? So a lot of times we'll have like an account executive or something like that that guides a client through everything they need, right? Or servicing, whatever the case may be. We want to do away with the days of just one contact person. We want to make sure that client knows that when they hire your business, it is a business that is working for them, not just one superstar. What that means for you is you might have to hire better quality people. That might mean that you have to pay employees a little bit more to make sure they are quality people, right? I know it's not easy, but we want to set up systems in place so that when a client calls in, they know I can't get the service anywhere else because there's so many people who take care of me, right? It's not just this one person who I call all the time and who always takes care of me, right? We want to limit interactions. We also want to manage interactions, right? So if you have things like um, account executives that, for instance, email clients back and forth, guess what? That is the employer's data. That is not the employee's data. And we want to make that abundantly clear. We want to make sure that we're looking at things, we're managing those interactions, right? I know it sounds like micromanaging, and it might be for a little bit, but our whole goal is to make sure that clients know they're working with a business and not just with an individual. No matter how good that individual is, we want to make sure that it's a team effort and not just one superstar that that client cannot do without. If you need help with this and making sure that you implement this the right way, Empire Business Law is here to help.